realistic EDC. This is what I carry every day. I have a good ratchet belt, gun belt for carrying the firearm, a wallet, flashlight. I don't know if you can focus, make out the name of this, but it has a flashlight up front, high, medium, and low, and then the strobe. And then it also has a light there on the end, high and low on it. It's also magnetic. Carry a Kershaw pocket knife. And then for the firearms that I carry one of two guns. I'm either carrying the Rock Island 1911 chambered in 9mm. Comes with a 10 round magazine. I carry that in a We the People holster. Or my second choice, I carry a Springfield XD. This is the first generation. It's also 9mm with a 16 round capacity. I have 2 mags for it, and I also carry it in a We the People holster. I like their holsters. They're comfortable. I carry a tourniquet. If you're going to put holes in people, you need to be able to stop the bleeding. Or if you get shot yourself in the arm or leg, you need to be able to stop the bleeding. This is my realistic EDC. Other than my car keys and my phone, I am filming with my phone. But yeah, that's what I carry. Sometimes I carry both. I'll carry that in the waistband holster. And the 1911 I will carry in a ankle holster. And there's the ankle holster for it. It hooks on 2 places on your leg, your upper thigh and ankle. But this is what I carry daily. Sometimes I'll carry in that, and that has a complete first aid kit in it as well. It's a sling bag. Most of the time it's on body carry. I'm not a real big fan of off body, but I do carry the bag because it, like I said, it does have a full medical kit in it. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Share this video out. It helps, really helps the channel.